Hey, I wanted to show you guys my favorite cocktail shaker that I've had for a little while now, and what I really love about this one in particular. So I got this one in the matte black. It does come in a couple of colors that you need all in one, so you don't have multiple pieces to wash or anything like that. This is also dishwasher safe, which is very important to me and my husband, who's in charge of the dishes, because anything that can go in the dishwasher just makes life easier. But this just twists on. It also comes with extra seals for these as well. This top twists on as well. You can see the strainer there for when you're pouring your drink in, you shake it up. Yeah, but I love this. It is great. It also comes with, what's really cool, this little recipe card book. So it gives you like the type of glasses that you need to use, and it goes by the different types of alcohol and different drinks that you can make, and it shows you the measurements on there. So your typical Cosmopolitan, Hurricane, Pink Lady, all things like that. And if you need help, you can contact them as well. But I thought that was a really nice touch that they added that. I keep that right nearby just to make some of those basic drinks. I just am a matte black girly. My kitchen, if you can see in the background, we have a lot of black. My nails are black. That's just my color. So what I love about this, it's insulated. It's, you know, gonna keep your drinks nice and cold. It doesn't have that sweating on the outside. It's gonna get your hands all gross. What I really, really love about this is the measurement system that is already built in. So obviously we have this piece here, but in here, in the top, we have all of our typical measurements. So we go by ½ ounce and then ounce, and then we have milliliters as well. And in the top is like a shot glass. So it measures up to an ounce. So this makes it really easy when you are making a drink that you have everything here.